So how to choose the correct knife for the job. So I've got a selection of knives in here. If I was going to do a small job, I'd probably use one of these little knives. That one there. So that's could be a small little delicate thing or for peeling. What else have we got in here? We've got this knife which I like to use a lot at home. It's a small like utility chef's knife, so I just use that one for chopping and so on. This one is a nice serrated knife, so if you want to cut some bread, possibly, we can just use a serrated knife for slicing the bread up. And I've got another little paring knife there. It's a bit bigger than the other one. But the main ones I use all the time are the serrated and the chef's chopping knife. So when you're choosing your knives, you just want to try and get the right knife for the job.